Xfinity's X5 pods create a mesh Wi-Fi network, extending your internet coverage and eliminating dead zones. Assigning devices to specific pods optimizes performance by directing traffic through the strongest signal. This is especially useful in larger homes or areas with thick walls. To do this effectively, understand that pods communicate with your X5 gateway and each other, creating a seamless network with a single network name SSID. Recent updates emphasize AI-driven optimization and support for Wi-Fi 6 and emerging Wi-Fi 7, offering faster speeds and better device handling. First, ensure your X5 pods are set up and connected to your network. Open the Xfinity X5 app on your smartphone and log in with your Xfinity credentials. Navigate to the device manager in the app. Select the device you want to assign, such as a smart TV or gaming console. Choose the Assign to Pod option and select the pod with the strongest signal for that device's location. Alternatively, enable smart steering for automated assignment based on real-time data. Place pods strategically midway between the gateway and dead zones, avoiding obstructions. Use the app's heat map feature to visualize coverage and test speeds with tools to ensure optimal placement.